If your home has central heating and cooling, there's an indoor unit sometimes called the air handler that does much of the work you don't see. It moves air through the home, pulls it across the indoor coil, and sends it through the ductwork to every room. When the air handler has a problem, the effects show up throughout the home, not just at the unit itself. You might notice poor airflow at the vents, rooms that won't cool down, loud or unusual sounds from the indoor unit, water pooling near the unit, or a system that runs but barely moves any air. Sometimes the issue is repairable. A failed blower motor, a weak capacitor, a control board problem, a clogged drain, or a dirty coil can each affect how the air handler performs, and most of those are straightforward repairs when caught early. But in other cases, the age and condition of the unit make replacement the more practical conversation. Age, overall condition, repair history, and the condition of the indoor coil all factor into that decision. Ductwork matters too. If ducts are undersized, leaking, or poorly balanced, even a new air handler may leave some rooms uncomfortable. A proper assessment looks at the full system, not just the component that's showing the symptom. Does it matter which air handler gets installed? It does. A new outdoor unit won't perform the way it's rated if it's paired with an old or mismatched air handler. These two components are designed to work as a matched system, and when they're out of sync, efficiency and comfort both suffer. That's something a proper assessment covers before any recommendation is made. A technician inspecting an air handler will typically check airflow, blower operation, coil condition, drain setup, wiring, and controls. They'll also look at how the air handler matches the rest of the system, especially if a new outdoor unit was recently installed or is being considered. If repair is the right call, you should know what failed and what the fix involves. If replacement is recommended, the written estimate should explain what equipment is included, what installation work is involved, and how the new unit fits into and improves the overall system. If your home has weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or an indoor unit that's been causing problems, Pristine Air Heating and Cooling can help. Give us a call or schedule online. We'll inspect the air handler and give you an honest picture of whether repair or replacement makes the most sense for your system.